Yes, welcome back to my kitchen. Simon Cooking Lifestyle. Yes, so thank you guys for watching the first video. You can check out all, and today we're about to do some fish, red snapper. That's what we're gonna do today, okay? So first I'm gonna season my fish, and I'm gonna fry it, and then I'm gonna cook it down in coconut milk, okay? And also I'm going to doing some rice and peas. Right now my peas is on the fire already, because you know our peas take longer to cook than normal, you know. So you can see the peas, it's just start to boil. The first procedure was to put it in cold water, and after it start to boil, then I pour cold water on it. So when you pour the cold water, it's lets the peas go to the bottom, and it make it cook faster. For example, you see some peas floating around right now. I'm going to be putting some cold water on it, and you're going to see they sink to the bottom. That means they start to cook. So look how I'm going to throw the cold water on the peas, and it's going to sink to the bottom. Look at that. Look at it. All the peas, it went to the bottom. That's the way how you start to cook your peas. It don't have any salt. You don't have nothing in there. I'm just boiling the peas, and then I'm going to season it with coconut milk and thyme and a little salt, and also my my scallion. Seasoning time for my fish. So I slice the side of my fish, so you know the seasoning can go inside the fish. Like you see that, how I open it and put the seasoning inside, both sides, you know. And then I'm going to leave it to marinate. So when I season it like this, when you fry it, it has a good taste to it, because it's already have seasoning in it, okay? I don't have to season on the outside, because the outside gonna go into the oil, so I have to do on the inside, so it tastes good. I use Maggi fish seasoning from Jamaica, and also I use Total seasoning and black pepper. That's all I use to season my fish before frying. But in this judgment is no possibility. Alright, my fish is seasoned, very hold tight, so the season go on marinate while I get to clear with my skillet to do the frying of the fish. So I'm pouring my oil so I can start the process of frying my fish. So I put some oil in there. I put 2 cubes of garlic, and of course I have to add my habanero so the fish can cook, can fry in spice. A cup of pimento seed, just a couple, not a lot. There you go. Getting ready to fry my fish. starting the frying process. It's a little lengthy process, but you know, sit back, relax, learn how to cook fish, red snapper. So yeah, I turn the fish on the other side. So one side is already prepped. So the other side, yeah. The first side is prepped. So you see, this is prepped. See? It's gonna be, this is the first step of the fish. I don't feel lonely. I put a piece of fish in here so I don't feel lonely when I take the last piece off. Here you go. In between the fishes so they don't touch, so they fry by themselves separately and they're not stuck together. Because if I put both of them together like this, they will stuck together. Time to check my peas. Wow, the peas is ready to be seasoned. Now I'm about to season my peas. So I have my scallion, I have my garlic, I have my hot pepper habanero, I have pimento, and I also have a coconut milk. It's not the real coconut, but it's coconut, okay? Next time I give it a real coconut, it's not to my hand reach now. Is this just an easy one, right? Season my peas. First, I put my pimento in. Secondly, I put my coconut milk. Rich and creamy coconut milk. Look at the brand. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. It's a lot of cream. Next, I'm gonna put my scallion and my garlic. They're all chopped together. See? put in my thyme. I buy the thyme without the vein. Pretty good. Next, I'm gonna put some salt. This is about half a teaspoon to 3/4 gallons of water. This is the secret. I put a little bit of sugar inside, just amount like the salt. Don't tell nobody, that's my secret. It enhances the taste of the rice and peas. Also, I'm gonna come up with my butter. Hold on, I'll wrap that. So this is the butter I have today. And I'm gonna dive in and get a large chunk of butter and put it in there. Look at that. I have my Maggi cube, my special. My Maggi cube, that's my special right here. It also enhances the taste of the rice and peas. I put it in there, and don't forget my habanero. I'm gonna let this boil for 7 minutes so the coconut milk can boil, so I can put my rice after 7 minutes, okay? I'll be back in 7 minutes time. So today I'm cooking the brown rice. I'm cooking about 1 pound of rice, or about 1.25 pounds. Not more than that. For that, 1 gallon of water. Yeah. I'm washing the rice. Coconut milk and peas. Look at that. It's rich and nice. You can use whatever rice you want, but I'm using brown rice today. And also, I tell you, the rice, the water should be 1/2 inch over the rice at all times. No matter what you're cooking, pumpkin rice, rice and peas, the water should be just 1/2 inch over, cover the rice, so you can steam the rice. The rice is supposed to steam and not boil. So now the fish is fried, it's all fried. So I'm gonna go to the second step. Your stove on medium while the rice steam. Tell me what you think in the comment section. Covering my rice with a little file paper so it can steam. So now I'm washing my okra. I'm getting my coconut milk prepped for my fish. So I have okra. I have the good habanero. I'm just doing the washing process. My bell pepper. I have tomatoes, 2 carrots, and 2 stalk of scallion. Starting with my okra. That's how you cut the carrot for your scabeche fish. So this is called scabeche yellowtail snapper. So I'm gonna cut my habanero in half and take out the seed because that's gonna be too spicy. I'm not using all of it. I have a little bit of the grease, what I use to fry the fish. I keep it in here to just to oil the pot, and then I'm gonna put my coconut milk. I'm gonna add some Maggi fish seasoning and a little bit of total seasoning. A little pimento seed Pimento. You never go wrong with pimento. And leave it to boil for 3 minutes before I add my seasoning. So I'm putting my carrot and my okra and sweet pepper. Onion. Tomato and scallion. And hot pepper. Everything is going inside. Don't forget my garlic, so I have to crush my garlic. Garlic make the food taste good. It's the #1 seasoning in the world. Garlic. Just add a little water and cover this for 5 minutes before you put the fish inside, so the coconut milk can totally cook. I'm going to add my fish to my coconut milk and all the goodies. I'm going to add a little sauce. A little brown stew sauce. And a little ketchup. You can use whatever ketchup you want. And a little total seasoning at the end. Black pepper. It's gonna make a rich sauce. Start already. Look at that. I'm gonna cover for 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, it's gonna be ready. My rice is ready. This is what I have 5 minutes later. It's pretty good. It's ready. As long as the okra is cooked, it's ready. See that nice gravy? That's what you want when you brown stewing fish. A nice thick gravy. almost 100% done, and my brown stew fish is ready. So I'm gonna make my plate so we can eat together. So you see the brown stew fish, you have the okra here, and you have all the ingredients. The carrot, onion, the bell pepper, and just a thick gravy, very thick gravy, coconut milk gravy. And the rice and peas. I'm gonna dig in right now. Juicy and nice. Look at it. Look at it. It's called brown stew fish. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you for liking my video. See you on the next one. I'm gonna enjoy my food. To tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to like, comment, and subscribe.